Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily hide featured stories on Facebook from public, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open Facebook and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. From here, tap on your profile and here you find the featured stories. Now Facebook now does not let you change their privacy, they're always public. Now there are some things you can do about it. You can go ahead and tap on the story and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, tap on edit featured collection and go ahead and tap on cover to change it. If you don't like the first picture that shows up in your profile, just tap another picture or upload one from your camera roll and then tap on use when you're done. From here, just tap on save in the bottom and the picture will be saved. The cover will be changed successfully. Now, to be logical, if you want to hide the stories from public, you can just go ahead and delete them because that's their purpose. To delete them, just go ahead and long tap on them and tap on deleted featured collection, and that's how we do it. But if you maybe want to change the privacy of your stories, maybe that's what you're looking for, that's something else. Just follow up with me. Go back from here and tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and then from here tap on stories when you scroll down. Tap on story privacy and then choose a different privacy amongst these and tap on save, and you should be good to go from there. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.